here guys, this is our pork. I use 1/2 kilo of pork. You may slice it guys, cube. Okay. And here guys, I use spring onions, black pepper, whole black pepper, vinegar, 1/4 cup vinegar, red or white vinegar. You can use whatever you have. And 1/4 soy sauce guys. And I also use garlic, 3 cloves garlic. Okay. And of course I use bay leaf, 3 bay leaf or laurel guys. And of course 3 cups of water. I used 3 cups of water guys. We need water so that the pork it will boiled, totally boiled the pork with the water especially. Okay. And now let's start cooking guys. Let's start with our pork. Okay. First, cook the pork for at least 15 minutes guys. Okay. Leave it, let it cook for at least 15 minutes. And now guys, let's clean our garlic and slice our onion spring. It's easy to do like this guys. It's a trick. And then you may slice it guys. You may chop the garlic. I really love garlic guys. It's really smell good, the garlic, especially for the pork or any kind of meat. Okay, so that's it. That's the garlic chop. And now also chop the spring onions, just like that. Anyway, we have different ways guys of cooking. You can make your way of cooking. So that's it, our spring onions. And let's wait for a while. When the pork is ready, we can add all the ingredients. Okay. So that's guys, look the pork, as you see, it's getting ready guys. Okay, continue guys until the water gone. Okay. let's take a moment, wait for a moment, and we can add our all ingredients. So here is our pork, guys. It's ready. Okay, as you see, guys, there is no water now, and we can actually add our ingredients now. Okay, and now let's start with our garlic, just like that, guys. It's just a simply menu pork adobo. It's a Pinoy style. And now our black pepper, soya sauce, and our vinegar. And of course, the spring onions. Okay. And followed by the bay leaves. Okay. Bay leaf. And of course, guys, our water. Okay, water. You may add water as needed, guys. If the pork not yet really soft, tender and soft, you can add water as needed, guys. Okay. So now let's cover it again and leave it for about 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes, and let's see, guys. Okay, here's adobo. Ayan na, guys, pork adobo.